Cafe, which is right there. We just moved to Hanoi Brother Inn for the second night of the stay. This is the TV. The room feels nicer and cleaner, less musty. So my friend was telling me that on Fridays and weekends in Hanoi, all of the streets near Ho Kim Lake, which is the center of the city, was shut down. And you'll see a bunch of these activities going on, and it was really cool. This is a government building. Oh wow. We're getting got off that boat and we're gonna see this cave. What's this cave called? It's called Tien Lan something. And then these are the kayaks. Woo. Baby. Oh my god, the baby's walking by itself. What if it falls in the water? Hmm? taking the tour, walking to our homestay. Where are we right now?
We're in Hoi An, on a street that used to be called Guangdongjie, which is Guangdong Street.
And how did we find out about that?
We met this man who was sitting outside his home, and we found out his family came over in the 1850s to make medicine and sell it in Hoi An.
That's really cool.
It is.
Where are we going? Yeah. Wait, can you dance?
Yeah, but you have to dance with me.
I can't, I'm recording. Wow, it's so pretty.
Is that the Japanese bridge?
I'm not sure.
Probably. Oh my god, is this woman?
Oh, these!
Oh my god, that's like my dream come true.
Wait, did you finish with your wish? How many wishes can you grant? How many do we get with this?
A lot.
Okay.
We're trying to find 80 door number because this guy said that there's Fujianese people there.
Yeah, we just visited the Fujianese, not temple, but like
Assembly hall.
assembly hall. So now we're taking his lead.